Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala. Sure. We get ready for Tadasana. Whenever in stress, do the balancing asanas. That will help you to balance your nervous system and calm you down. Now, Kratak is very important in Tadasana. Look at one tiny object or a dot in front of your eyes. Feet hip distance apart. Keep looking at that tiny object. Inhale, slowly go up on your toes. Stay. Keep breathing. Exhaling down slowly. Now, cross your both the arms in front. Tadasana again. Tratak. Inhale. Go up on your toes. Give a nice stretch to your arms, spine, calf muscles. And very slowly come back. Relax. Vrikshasana, tree pose. Again the same thing, Kratak is very important. Do not look down, do not look here and there. You balance on your right leg and lift your left leg up and fix it on the inner thigh muscles. The knee opens at your hip level. Join your palms, Kratak. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Very gently come back, change. Bring your right foot on your left inner thigh muscle. Kratak. Inhale, stretch your arms, keep breathing. And come back, breathe and relax. If you are comfortable, close your eyes, breathe. Second variation of Vrikshasana. Again, balance on your right leg, lift your left foot on your inner thigh muscles, left hand into Dhyana Mudra, resting on the thigh. And right hand up, go sideways towards your left leg. Back. Change, other side. Raise your right leg up, fix it on the inner thigh muscle. Right hand in Dhyana Mudra, resting on the thigh, right thigh. Lift your left hand up and go towards your right side, sideways. And come back. Relax, breathe nicely. Now, Ek Padasana or Turi Dandasana. Bring your right foot in front. Again, Tratak is very important. Join your palms. Slowly, you raise your leg up, chest parallel to the floor, and open your arms like a flying bird. And come back. Change other side. Left foot in front. Take your right leg behind. Rata. Keep going down. Lift your leg up. Open your arms. Stay. And back. Breathe. Samasthiti. Please walk. Ek Padasana or Turi Dandasana. You bring your right leg in front. Lock your fingers. Now, you look down towards the floor. Keep pushing your hands down and lift your left leg up. If possible, please do not touch the ground with your fingers. Come on. Change. Left leg in front. Look down. Keep pushing your hands down. Raise your right leg up. Stay. And come back.